Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Family, what y'all think about my cooking? Let everybody know.
My wife gets down in the kitchen. She really be handling her business. Cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family. My wife be cooking and baking for the family.
Mama, this tastes so good. Mmm. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family.
Oh, mama, this food is real good. This food smacking. It's fire. My mama cooking and baking for the family. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Oh, it's real good for the family.
Welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again with some more groceries and chats. How y'all doing? How you doing? Today, I have a small haul of a few things that I needed to cook with today. Today, I am making a lemon pound cake, and I'm also making a banana pudding. This is why I have vanilla wafers and bananas and that big old thing of Cool Whip up there. Yep, so I'm making a banana pudding. I'm making a lemon pound cake, desserts, and also we're having burgers today. So that's why I got tomatoes, lettuce, and a white onion. And I also got lemons and some fresh milk and this tiny 18 count bag of chips to go with the burgers. In case I don't do fries, we just got the chips. So this 18 classic box of Lay's potato chips look like they babies to fit in this tiny box. It comes with 4 crunchy Cheetos, 4 Doritos, 4 nacho cheese Doritos, and 2 Cool Ranch Doritos, 3 Frito corn chips, 3 Lay's chips, and 2 Ruffles. So that's what's in that box, and this box is small, so I know those things gonna be so tiny. Well, how y'all doing today? Hope all is well. All is well. So much is going on. New rules. They got new rules for the housing, new rules for the food stamp, new rules for the Medicare, Social Security. They doing all kind of stuff. And the birthright thing, I don't know. They still working on that. I believe they say they're gonna do it from the Congress and let the senators and other folks handle that situation. We'll see, because that's I seen it on the internet where they saying one of the judges was saying that they can handle it in the Senate. So who knows? From the House to the Senate, only time will tell. And then you got the Haitian people that lost their temporary permits and stuff, and they're angry. But why? Black folks saying they're angry at black folks. Why? Go figure. Who knows? What are you mad at? The black folks ain't got nothing to do with that law, that rule at all. So their anger is toward folks that don't have nothing to do with the situation. Isn't that something? But I believe today, as yesterday, today, they are rounding up folks that temporary status is revoked and you got to go. So that's another thing happening. Then they got all these earthquakes. I seen a video where the sky turned blood red. I think I was looking at somebody's video. It was in Venezuela. The whole sky was blood red. What the heck is that about? Then somebody in the comments was also mentioning that they seen a purple sky. Now I seen blue skies, gray skies, black skies because you know the weather. But never have I seen a purple sky or a red sky. So signs of times, all the devastating earthquakes, all those people got crushed under those collapsed buildings. And now we got people under a heat dome. Folks are perishing from being, oh, hold up, let me put in this work. Now they got folks perishing by being under this thing they calling a heat dome. Temperatures high as 120. Who can, oh, you can't, oh no, that's too hot. That's too hot. And go beyond one, that's like desert temperatures. These folks, I think it's in New York. They got they under the heat dome. Can you imagine that would come to California, a heat dome? Have mercy on our souls. Have mercy, have mercy. But a lot of people have perished because of that extreme heat. They saying it's because of El Nino, those extreme temperatures. They say even it's going to be colder, quakes, tsunamis, hurricanes, tornadoes, all of these nature disasters. So I don't know. I don't know about how folks need to protect themselves. But one thing I do know, I don't want to live in a place where those tornadoes come up and whip you up like you in a dang mixer or something. I don't want to be in the tornado area. I don't want to be in a hurricane. I'm already in California. We're in the earthquake territory. And earthquakes like they had in Venezuela. My goodness, my goodness. So if any of y'all heard about these disasters, and then you know you got the food prices that steadily are increasing, and you getting less of, and you got to spend more to get less. That's what's happening. Ground beef is expensive. That remind me, today, did I say we having burgers? I had previously made some burger patties that I used with this product I bought, some sheets to make my homemade burger patty. So I made burger patties, stretching the ground beef that my husband had purchased. So I stretched it, made a few burger patties. Then I separated it for other meals and stuff like that. But now if you want a 10-pound, $50. You want 5 pounds, you say? Shoot, how about 3 pounds? 3 pounds run you $20. Remember when a pound was 99 cents? Who can remember those days? 99 cents for ground beef. All that time is set there. Buy me for 99 cents. Now a pound, shoot, might be $8, $16 for a pound of ground beef. And also, I remember potatoes. They used to be Superior, this store called Superior. They used to be selling potatoes, two 10-pound bags for $1. That store that Chris go to in her area, now they have some great prices. They sell their prices are like back in the day. Now I don't know if she mentioned that store name, but I wish she would mention it, because don't everybody have that store. Share the name of that store, Chris. Quit holding back. Quit being a gatekeeper. Just kidding. But also, check out Chris' channel, because she over there has bought those Jack-in-the-Box glasses. I looked online. I think them things was $25 a glass. They're expensive. I would love to have one, but I can't afford that price. But, yeah. So, I just look at them, enjoy looking at them. They are cute, but wow. Then I seen on eBay, people selling them things, dang near $100 just for a Jack-in-the-Box glass. Go figure. But yeah, we having burgers today, dessert, the lemon pound cake, and banana pudding. I'm getting ready to make some buns for my burgers as I speak now. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. I just came to share with y'all what I'm doing today. Hope y'all having a great day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, my comments may not show up from my crafting or my gardening channel. Sometime this grocery channel, I don't know. But please report it if you don't see my comments to the YouTube people. Thank you so much. Y'all have a great day. Bye for now. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family.